Yusir El Nara, MD.
To our distinguished guests of the 2026 Western Visayas Regional Athletic Association meet, from the island of the sweetest festival and the world-famous sweetest mangoes, I am beyond proud to present to you the pride of Guimaras, the Blue Islanders. This formidable team is composed of 355 of our finest athletes, supported by a tireless team of 91 coaches, 38 trainers, and 85 officials, strong 569 delegates of Guimaras. Together, they represent the spirit of our island province, marching forward with heart, discipline, and excellence, ready to compete and prove that Guimaras truly is mangoes and more. Ladies and gentlemen, the pride of Guimaras, the Guimaras Blue Islanders. Pamuna! Guimaras! Mayang gabi sa tanan.
Thank you, Governor Nara. Once again, let's hear it for Governor Maria Yusir El Nara, MD.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, to present